Hello and welcome to Daily News Wrap of Voice of Crypto, and I'm Abhishek. I'll be taking care of today's news wrap as our editor in chief is on leave today, and I'll tell you why she's on leave tomorrow. So let's get started, guys. And this is a daily initiative which we have started, which we will do every single day at the same time. So we will help you understand what all is happening, what are the new things which are currently picking up. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with the market cap for today. And as we can see, the global crypto market cap is around 1.09 trillion. Today, a slight increase of around 0.39% over the last day. There are a few interesting things which have been happening. Bitcoin has again settled down on its normal range, which we were seeing from last few weeks. The whole story of Bitcoin ETF pass that has currently gone, so things have started settling down. However, Ethereum saw a dip of around 0.42% in last 24 hours. BNB, so we can see a lot of reds here. BNB again is a minor loss of 0.61, XRP at 0.86%. Solana apparently has again come back. So Solana has reclaimed its 10 billion mark, which we have been, there have been a lot of FUDs which have been coming from last few days, but now Solana is back in the game and following by Cardano and Dogecoin. So a lot of reds, a few greens, and hopefully we'll start seeing more greens as we move forward. And apparently, I just saw today, Coin Market Cap has started a new tab called Real World Assets. So we'll deep dive on this as well at some other time. But today, let's start seeing who are the top gainers for last 24 hours. And BSV has seen almost 6.11% gain in last 24 hours. Solana is doing quite well, around 4.89. As I said, it has again picked up what it had lost yesterday. We had seen a small amount of loss yesterday, and yeah, Solana injective has we have been seeing. We saw it yesterday as well. It has been gaining momentum from last few days, and if you can see, almost 16% in last week, which is a good number, I would say, in this bear market. Followed by Render, Aave, Toncoin is also picking up. We have been seeing it from last few days. So hopefully these things will keep on going on top. We all are waiting for the top. And just as a disclaimer, whatever I talk today on this channel, whatever I talk on this live stream, it is none of a financial advice. Please do your due diligence. We don't give any kind of advices for any coins. We are just giving you numbers. We are just talking about facts. We don't have an inclination towards any coin or any numbers. So let's move towards the top losers. And Hedera, which we saw yesterday, saw around 5% gain yesterday. We are seeing a gain of 4.50 loss. So we are back to normal what we are seeing. So this is the kind of fluctuations which happen in market, and this is why we advise all of you to do your own research, understand. Do not invest in something which you don't understand. Research and then go ahead. Flow is again one of the biggest losers of from last 24 hours. Neo followed by ICP coin. So ICP again has we have been seeing certain decline in ICP. Ape coin curved down. Sui, apparently Sui is also going down. Chili's again was a winner yesterday, and now we are back to normal. So this is the kind of fluctuations which keep happening in crypto market. Just be aware about these things. Moving on from here, let's look at some of the top news which are coming in. Let's start with good news. So Bitcoin, I mean, there's a report which has come by Matrixport which says Bitcoin could rise between 42,000 to 56,000 if BlackRock ETF is approved, and apparently they are predicting that there will be potential inflow of around $24 billion in Bitcoin, and majority of them is apparently going to come from gold ETF, which would be around 10 to 20% of current gold ETF markets could move to Bitcoin. What are gold ETFs? Probably we'll do another session. I have a very interesting person who understands the whole gold ETF scenario as well. So probably just to talk to you, all of you, about what gold ETFs are, we can do that as well. And this report says that conservatively around 42,000 is the conservative estimate, and it can rise as high as 56,000 if the if the BlackRock spot Bitcoin exchange is approved, which we all are hoping that it should come soon. Uh, Moving on to another news, it's a sad news for crypto, for the whole DAO community. The DAO builder Super DAO has closed down the whole project. This is the project which has raised around 10.5 million in 2021, and they have been saying that they will give the leftover funds back to the investors. So so the Super DAO started as something which they were helping other brands, companies to build DAO on their platform. But as we have seen the whole winter season, the whole crypto winter, a lot of brands were not able to do that, and they were very short-lived, which does not make any sense for SuperDAO to continue. This business model did not work with them. So here is wishing to all the SuperDAO members that you come back soon, you come back in the market soon with a new project, do something better. But I think we all need few sacrifices to move and see the better future of Web3. So a sad news, but let's hope for the best. And in another news, we have Polygon, who there has been a lot of FUD around Polygon, founders leaving, new things happening, management changing. So now Polygon has just proposed a council of decentralized governance, and they have named around 13 members, which will which will create a governance which will hopefully be better managed, and then we can see new interesting things. So Polygon has been one of my favorite projects as well. It is one of the best projects which we have seen, both from a technology point of view as well as the use case point of view. So this new governance will have officials from Coinbase and Ethereum Foundation. So there are few very big names which are coming in this. So it's just at a proposal stage. Hopefully this goes ahead, and we would like to see Polygon back in action. It's a brilliant project. Hopefully they should be back in action now. Another good news coming in from Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley, I'm sure all of you know what Morgan Stanley stands for, and when they put some news, when they put a report, which that does means a lot to the whole industry. So they say crypto winter may be in the past, and they are saying that the whole crypto bear market is about to come to an end. So which is a good sign for the whole Web3 crypto community. So there are, as I said, there are few good news coming in, few bad news coming in, and we will keep you updated with all these news. We will keep on telling you what are the latest updates. We are just getting started for this new market. So information awareness is something which is the key to succeed in any field, in any market. So yeah, thank you very much for listening to me, and I'll see you again tomorrow with the new set of news and with new analysis. Thank you.